Welcome to our video lecture for IAS2. Uh, why? Why study information assurance and security? So first, let's acknowledge the lecture. The slide lecture, majority of the slide came from this book, Security Class Guide to Network Security Fundamentals, 3rd edition. So let's have a survey on information security careers and security plus certification. So today's discussion organizations um, requires employee and even prospective applicant to demonstrate that they are familiar with computer security practice. So many organizations use this CompTIA Security Plus certification to verify security competency. So two types of information security chart. So we have information assurance and first, information assurance, a superset of information security, including security issues that do not involve computer. So that is information assurance. So most of topics for information assurance in this part is discussed with your IAS1. So this covers the broader area that just basic technology, defense tools, and tactics. This also include this job also includes strategic risk management and corporation governance issues such as privacy, compliance, audit, business continuity, and disaster recovery. It is an interdisciplinary individual who are employed in it uh, may came from different field of study. Another security, I information security job is information security. So this is called computer security. So the person involved here, so the job responsibility would be defend against computer attacks. So it does not include security issues that do not involve computer. So under this, so everything that is within the technical control. So two work categories in information security position. So we have information security manager position and information security technical position. So some of the job description for information security could be Chief Information Security Officer or CISO, Security Manager, Security Administrator, and Security Technician. So as we can see, on the higher ranks, we see that it's more on, as you see here, Information Security Managerial position. So the CISO actually is the one who reports to the higher boss. Okay, so the implementation of the CISO report will be passed through the security manager, wherein the security manager work on tasks identified by the CISO and resolve issues identified by technicians. It requires understanding of the configuration and operation, but not necessarily technical matter. So security manager is in between the managerial and the technical part. Next is the security administrator. So it is between the technician and security manager. So as security administrator, you perform both as uh, technician, you have the knowledge of technicals and managerial skills also. To manage daily operation of security technology and may analyze and design security solutions. Well, security technician is someone who provides technical support to configure security hardware and implement security software diagnosis and troubleshoot problem focused on major security technology group. And as you see here also, this is the average salary rate. So this might not be updated as of the moment. and depending also on the size of organization. So later we are going to understand that uh, the job also will vary on the amount of data they are currently working on. Let's go to certification. So as mentioned a while ago, we have CompTIA Security Plus certification, which is a vendor neutral credential. So this certification uh, will don't have a specific brand or software or hardware brand to be specified as part of the examination. So that is why it is called vendor neutral. So Security Plus exam is an internationally recognized validation of foundation level security skills and knowledge used of used by organization and security professionals around the world. So the skills and knowledge measured by the Security Plus exam are derived from the industry-wide job task analysis. Okay, so the, the part of the exam we came from an industry-wide job task analysis. So what is the current uh, task needed for industries? So that would be the part of the exam. And the exam contains three major domains, six domains. So we have system security, network infrastructure, access control, assessment and audit, cryptography, and organizational security. So if you want to take this examination, we're going to focus on the following topics, which is included in this course. So let's continue this lecture on our second part of the video.